Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a grade tracker sheet on Canva. So you want to create a grade tracker sheet. All you have to do is to go to the Canva app website, or the mobile app, or even the laptop app like I have here, and go to the search bar and type in the keyword grade tracker. Now you can see that there are over 10,000 templates to choose from. This is great, but we can also see some habit tracker here. We can choose any grade tracker we want and customize it to our liking. So I think I like this. So if I want to customize it, I just have to click on the three horizontal icon here and click on customize this template, and it will take me to a page like this where I can customize this template to my choice. I can input the student's name here, the subject here, various subjects, and then have a grade for each of them. I can also change the title it or name it properly, the name of my grade tracker assessments. So this is how to create a grade tracker on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Do have a great day.